Hello guys, and welcome to another food adventure.
Let it bang, bang. Bang, bang.
First of all, I'd like to talk about the bad news. These are highly refined heat treated oils which are basically unrecognisable for the body. They're so refined at high heat temperatures. These oils consist of oils such as sunflower, safflower, canola, rapeseed, peanut and soybean. For the purpose of profit, a chemical solvent called hexane is added. This allows them to extract 100% of the oil from the seed. Now they might say that this chemical disappears or whatnot, but I don't believe a chemical just disappears. Avocado oil. This has a high smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 271 degrees Celsius. This makes it ideal for frying at higher temperatures. Although this is not possible for every family, I understand, because of its high price point at around £3.50 in Tesco for 250 milliliters. That's pretty expensive, so maybe I would go for something like a cold pressed rapeseed oil, which is more obtainable for most families. Not the best oil by any means, but is more obtainable for those families who have a lower income. And it also benefits from a neutral taste avocado oil. This means that it would be great for baking or cooking things you don't want to alter the flavour with, such as using a coconut oil, for example, would have a strong taste, extra virgin coconut oil, so it may alter the taste of the food, whereas using an avocado oil will keep a neutral taste and you'll be able to taste that specific food better. A fantastic choice of saturated fat is coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil to be exact, extra virgin and cold pressed. Is full of healthy, natural, saturated fats. Despite its unfair image that the media has given in recent years, this is a natural, fantastic, saturated fat that's absolutely brilliant for your body. It also benefits from what they call medium-chain triglycerides, such as lauric acid, which are immediately absorbed into the liver and are a direct source of energy, and that can be used almost instantly by the body. And now for the cream of the crop, guys. Extra virgin olive oil, the only one I use for cooking and for finishing, because normal olive oil is heated and refined one stage further. It creates more free radicals in the body. The more you process an oil, the more free radicals it creates. Olive oil is acceptable though in some cases, such as pre-made foods. The benefits of extra virgin olive oil are that it's high in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and helps to combat inflammation, which can be caused by the free radicals as we discussed above in olive oil, which is heated at high temperatures and refined one more stage. A common myth with extra virgin olive oil is that it has a low smoke point, which is completely false and untrue. It has a smoke point of around 180 degrees Celsius. I consider this a medium smoke point. It's not low at all. You could deep fry at this temperature. So when buying olive oil, you should look for several things. Must be extra virgin, which is the most natural and unrefined version of olive oil. It must be cold pressed. If it's not cold pressed, it's ultra refined, and this can change the profile of the oil, including the nutrients. You should also take into consideration where your olive oil comes from. Countries like Spain, Greece, Portugal produce very good olive oils. But if your olive oil is from countries which don't have great farming practices, I would not buy that olive oil, as it could be rancid or cut with other oils, so it will be no good for your body and you won't be getting the best quality and the best ingredient to put into your body. I'd like to take this final opportunity to talk about other natural fats. These include grass-fed ghee, grass-fed beef tallow or dripping, free-range lard or free-range duck fat. When buying anything related to a cow, such as beef dripping or ghee, you want to look for 100% grass-fed, which is not always available or practically non-existent in the UK supermarkets. Well, at least they don't specify on the label. I've found a list of farms recently, which I will be presenting in the next video, which will be about the different meats you should buy in the supermarket, where you can get all this kind of stuff, guys. But The ghee, beef tallow, dripping, lard, duck fat, goose fat are all healthy saturated fats that are derived from natural sources. These are absolutely fantastic for frying. These are perfectly natural, although different brands will vary on the quality. These are perfectly natural fats, guys, which have been demonized in recent years for things like sunflower or rapeseed oil, safflower. These are terrible, toxic, high heat oils. These fats from the animals are absolutely natural, guys, and are absolutely fantastic for using.